Hey guys, Booligan here with Booligan Airsoft and Shooting Sports. Today, taking a look at the latest out-of-the-box, ready-to-run gear from Whiskey 24. Now, if you don't know my history with Whiskey 24, I have been checking out their products for years. They are big in the paintball industry, and I'm doing my damnedest to get them big in the airsoft industry because this is American-made gear at a very affordable price that is frankly just awesome. This stuff just works so amazingly well that it has actually replaced pretty much all of my other rigs. I actually just sold my other main rig because I don't need it anymore because something like this works so well. But enough bragging about how good they are. Let's talk about the product itself. So this is the Turnkey 01 rig. So this is designed for STANAG 5.56 mags. It holds 5 of them, and it is a very simple chest rig. You can wear it up high as a chest rig, you can bring it down low like I normally do, almost like a belly rig kind of, but the material that they use and their craftsmanship is really kind of second to none. Based around their own systems, most of the material, this is a multicam model, you have an elastic material up front that actually holds the mag. I'm going to stand back a little bit more, I guess, so you can actually get this thing in frame. So again, you have an elastic material on the pouches themselves, along with a sort of rigid fabric material on the back. Now, a lot of their earlier work is with Hypalon, which is the same stuff like inflatable Kodiak rafts are made out of, so they know how to work with very durable materials. You have high quality buckles and straps throughout, and a warranty fulfilled by a company that is based in the US. The elastic is pliable, but it isn't weak. Like, I've been doing some, pulling the mag in and out, trying to get them to, show any signs of wear. Obviously, just messing around with this thing isn't going to do that. It's going to take some, actual wear and tear on it to really see. But with my experiences with them in the past, I'm not terribly worried about it, really at all. Their stuff just plain works. Take the rig off for a second so you can see how the rest of it works. So it is still a modular system, so you can kind of set these up however you would like. You can put the clips in a different location. Here on the back you can see still multicam backed and is a rigid material as opposed to the elastic on the front. Your harness along the back is just a basic H harness. This is always kind of tricky to show. Yeah, basic H harness going across with their Ultralight shoulder harness tag. And you do have a bit of Velcro here if you want to connect it to other things. So this, again, is still a modular unit. Best part about this is the cost. So usually if you're dealing with American-made kind of small batch chest rigs, something like this, you're expecting to spend well over $100 for even just a simple chest rig like this. Blue Force gear comes to mind, and I have a Blue Force gear, an old Blue Force gear minimalist chest rig that was sort of my lightweight go-to rig until I started really working with these because I like the Hypalon material that they use and I just like the company. But this guy comes in ready to roll out the door, 60 bucks. That's US made, made in Arizona, I believe, with a guy that really knows his stuff. He is, again, big in the paintball industry, big in the real firearm industry, and just really trying to break into that airsoft. So you can find information and links to purchase a rig like this in the information section below this video. I really just recommend you go check them out. They do custom gear as well. They really make some kind of off-the-wall stuff, especially for the paintball industry. Things like gauntlets to hold CO2 cartridges and like paintball loading tubes and things like that. Just really kind of interesting stuff that you really don't normally see. So many thanks to them for sending this over for us to check out. And my next skirmish video, there are a couple of new facilities here in Salt Lake. I need to go out, get some new video, but I will definitely be running this rig just because, again, it's comfortable, it's lightweight, it weighs less than a pound empty. I think it's about 10 ounces empty. That's nothing. It just disappears on me and is very, very comfortable. So again, many thanks to them for sending this over, and stay tuned for some videos of this thing in action. Thanks for watching.